So let's start with one misconception that one single tool can bring gobs and gobs of new buyers. It doesn't work that way. It's an equation of being found, being engaged, and being referred. So what do Albert Einstein and Black Shoe do differently? Well, our team uses data and process to form strategies. Meaning, if you're trying to approach the same problems with the same thinking, it's just not going to work. You're going to get the same results. So what do we do? So today at Black Shoe, we're going to explore the Agile methodology and development process and why they are so important to a business. Hey, I'm Brian, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Black Shoe Digital. Good morning. So, why does Black Shoe use Agile methodology and DevOps to build digital tools? It's a slam dunk. It is truly a faster time to market, a better response, as well as we're able to make decisions with data. That is so important. So also when you start thinking about the Agile methodology, you really got to look at collaboration and what that collaboration does to a team in delivering results. If you got a happy team, you got good results. So effective decisions are made regularly as we look at key performance indicators. So let's say one of these circles is not performing well, or a multitude of these circles are not doing well. We can make shifts. We can double down. Every channel possible working together is what the goal is. So in other words, if you're doing social media, if you're doing email marketing, you're doing your website, you're doing all these different things, and let's say your Google business isn't doing so well for a month, we can again pivot. We can put more effort and more work into another channel or a multitude of channels to get the best results for you. Now think about some of the world's greatest brands: Marriott, Nike, Dell. Without a doubt, they use a bunch of different tools to make their name a household name. So what does that all come down to? It comes down to strategy. It comes down to methodology. It comes down to understanding where you are now, where you're trying to get to, and what do you have to do in the middle. This is what makes Black Shoe so differently. Any monkey can build websites. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do all that stuff in here. But really where it comes down to is this right in here: strategy and methodology. So Agile methodology is really, really super cool because you can start with a set of core pages. It's not about building a ton and ton of different pages. It's about building the ones that build the following, and then building in other pages to complement what is being done first. So it's all about creating that first impression. So what do you need? The homepage, about us, services, contact page, and blog. These position your brand, they build trust, they build traffic, they provide clarity into what your brand offers, as well as a strong call to action and establishing your expertise. What does all that mean? Simple. You rank faster. So let's get to the DevOps side of the page. What is DevOps? Plain and simple. It's a box of tools used in software development that transfers perfectly into creating digital assets because it's the same principles. It's collaboration with development teams and collaboration with ops. Development teams, us, your operations. All of these tools fit together so well as we look at these key principles. And basically what it allows us to do is continuous feedback, what you like, what you don't like, and break down all the silos that seemingly keep people in their own compartment, if you will, and they don't communicate. We open up that communication process with these tools, aka Agile and DevOps. So as we cruise along here, let's look at the big big thing with DevOps and Agile. That's cost reduction. So Agile and DevOps, what is it? Working together, it's super fast, it's super flexible, and as a provider, we can make adjustments on the fly. We can use real-time data and customer feedback to make that happen. So all of this comes into being able to what's called A/B test. Look at one thing that is working, look at one thing that's not working so well. It allows us to test different versions of something. So let's say the kid went to the market, or example 2, a kid went to the market and bought this. Those are two different versions of the same thing, but maybe one is short tail, one is longer, and the longer tail gets you identified into your buyers when they're in a buying process. Okay, so the benefits of combining Agile and DevOps, we really covered it. It enables us to respond to market conditions very, very quickly, very, very efficiently, thereby delivering better results and more business for our clients. So that being said, I'm going to say thank you from our team, and thank you from my business partner Partha and me. And what is next? Drop us a line. We're here to answer your questions, and thank you for joining us for breakfast. Have a great day.